Hi, I'm Ryan from DataGuard Pro. Let's walk through installing the app. First, you'll need to subscribe. It costs $2.50 per month. Tap the subscribe button and enter your email so a license key can be sent to you. You'll see success prompts on the screen, and an email with your license details will follow. Check your email for a message from DataGuard Pro, then return to the app and input the license key. Next, you'll see a disclaimer that the app runs a foreground service, along with links to our terms and privacy policy. Now you'll need to enable some permissions so the app functions correctly. First, you'll be asked to enable phone permissions, then to activate device admin, followed by appear on top of other apps, modify system settings, Bluetooth, and lastly, notifications. After the permissions are all set, you are taken to the password protected settings page, where you can customize DataGuard Pro. The default password for the lock screen is DataGuard with a capital D and G. In settings, you can change the DataGuard password. Just input DataGuard and update it to your preferred password. Below that, you can update the email where notifications will be sent when security breaches occur. Next, you'll be taken back to the previous screen. Here you will create the main app's password, plausible password, and set whether or not you want the device to format if DataGuard Pro is uninstalled. The set app password is what you'll enter when a security breach is detected. The plausible password, if entered, will wipe your device. The red slide switch, when off, ensures your device won't format if DataGuard is uninstalled. When turned on, your device will wipe upon uninstalling the app. Now you're all set up. Restart your device and enjoy DataGuard Pro. If you have any questions, call or email. You can find our details in the link above.